Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress online. First, you'll need to select a web hosting provider and register a domain name for your website. Many hosts offer a simple one-click installation process for WordPress, making setup quick and easy. Once installed, you can log into your WordPress dashboard using the credentials provided by your host to start building your site. The WordPress dashboard is your control center. On the left, you'll find the main navigation menu for managing posts, pages, and media files. You can personalize your site's look by choosing from thousands of free and premium themes. Additionally, plugins allow you to add new features, from contact forms to e-commerce capabilities, enhancing your website's power. Creating content is straightforward. You'll use posts for blog entries and news updates, and pages for static content like an About Us or Contact page. The intuitive block editor makes it simple to add text, images, videos, and other elements. Just click the plus icon to insert a new block and build your content visually. Keeping your WordPress site running smoothly requires some basic maintenance. Always update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to their latest versions for security and performance. Install a reputable security plugin to protect against threats. Finally, regularly back up your entire website to ensure your data is safe, perhaps once a week or more frequently for active sites.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.